Hey, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about the filter delay, part 1, in under a minute.
Starting off with the filter delay, you've got a left, left and right. Each one of these is the same. If you look here, you've got a feedback control, pan, and volume on each one. Here you have the slider that sets the center frequency of the bandpass filter, and here the slider adjusts the bandwidth of the filter. So obviously it makes it bigger or smaller, and here goes to left to right. And these are all synced as well. If I don't want them synced, I can unclick that and they'll go to time and they'll work in milliseconds. And finally, this button here, when sync mode is active, you can adjust the slider because it will shorten or extend the delay time by really small amounts, like fractions, which can be used to produce subtle offset or swung delays.